Hey there, fellow travelers! Welcome back to another exciting journey. Standing tall on Liberty Island in New York Harbor is the Statue of Liberty. This colossal sculpture has been a beacon of hope and freedom since its dedication in 1886. Its towering presence is a testament to the enduring spirit of liberty. Let's learn more from the pages of Byways magazine. So, let's rewind a bit and delve into its fascinating history. The Statue of Liberty was a gift from France to the United States, symbolizing the enduring friendship between the two nations. This gesture was meant to celebrate the centennial of the American Declaration of Independence. Designed by French sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi, and with its internal structure engineered by Gustave Eiffel. Yes, the same Eiffel from the Eiffel Tower. This statue represents Libertas, the Roman goddess of freedom. The intricate design and engineering marvel behind it are truly awe-inspiring. Now let's talk about its significance and the profound impact it has had over the years. For millions of immigrants arriving by sea in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the Statue of Liberty was their first glimpse of America. It stood as a symbol of hope and a new beginning. Imagine the emotions they must have felt, leaving behind everything they knew, seeking a new life filled with promise and opportunity. The statue was a silent guardian, welcoming them to a land of freedom and dreams. It was more than just a statue, it was a symbol of hope, freedom, and the start of a new chapter. Its presence reassured them that they had made the right choice. The statue stands at an impressive height of 305 feet from the ground to the tip of the torch. This towering figure is not just a marvel of art and engineering, but also a beacon of inspiration. Engraved on a plaque inside the pedestal is the famous sonnet, The New Colossus by Emma Lazarus, which includes the iconic lines, "Give me your tired, your poor, your huddled masses yearning to breathe free." These words have resonated through the ages, capturing the essence of what the statue stands for. These words have come to define the statue's role as a welcoming figure for newcomers. They encapsulate the spirit of acceptance and the promise of a better life. Now, if you're planning a visit, the best time to go is during the spring or fall. These seasons offer a perfect balance of pleasant weather and fewer crowds, making your experience more enjoyable. Don't forget to book your tickets in advance, especially if you want to climb up to the crown. It's an experience you won't want to miss. The view from the top is absolutely breathtaking and offers a unique perspective of New York City. Ticket prices include round-trip ferry service to Liberty Island and Ellis Island, as well as access to the Statue of Liberty Museum and the Ellis Island National Museum of Immigration. Plan 4 to 6 hours for your visit. Be aware, however, that the climb to the top takes 354 steps, the equivalent of climbing a 20-story building, and there is no elevator. Thank you for joining us on this quick journey through history. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to the Byways channel for more travel insights and adventures. Your support helps us to continue to bring you these fascinating tales to you. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. See you soon. Remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered.